Magluluto ako ng estofado na hotdog. Chicken hotdog stew. So this is the chicken hotdog. This is the cube chicken breast. The veggies that I'll be mixing with it. Green pepper. There are no red peppers, so I'll make do with green peppers only. Potatoes, carrots. I'm going to saute it in garlic and onions. And then I'll be using in the sauce this one because I don't have tomato sauce. Ketchup, garbanzos, chickpeas. And to thicken the sauce all the more, I'll be using more cream soup, cream of corn. Okay.